the hottest tech out there.
Upgrade. Express. Transform. With Aesty, the cordless premium flat iron. No cords attached, no limitations. Take it with you anywhere for any occasion. Enjoy the immediate heating speed. 60 quick minutes for a full charge. Aesty's precise temperature control system provides even heating and seamless styling with just one stroke. Protect your hair and minimize heat damage with Aesty's premium titanium plates. The plates move freely in all 4 directions in order to gently grab hair and prevent snagging and pulling. Switch freely from cordless to connected. Aesty's hybrid mode allows you to continue using it while it's connected, even if it's low on battery. Aesty shuts off automatically when it's not in use. Aesty's sophisticated safety design features have been applied to its cradle, battery, and heater as well. Use without worrying about any electric circuits. The product can be stored safely while it's still hot in Aesty's heat-resistant travel pouch. Upgrade. Express. Transform. One product, endless looks. Aesty, the on-the-go flat iron.
You step out of the tub or shower feeling all fresh and clean, but you wipe it away with a cold, damp, smelly towel? Not only uncomfortable, it's also unhygienic. Say hello to Ranvoo, the most compact and fast-drying UV towel warmer, which makes every day feel like a spa day in a ritzy hotel. Coming in a compact size, Ranvoo fits in a bathroom small or large and adds a touch of discreet luxury. It's also light enough to move around. Ranvoo is the finishing touch to bring your bathroom together in comfort, style, and function. With Ranvoo, you really can have it all. The touch panel allows you to choose from different drying modes and duration effortlessly. Rapidly heating up in 5 seconds, Ranvoo has a drying time 33% faster than other towel warmers at a constant temperature of 130 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. With the dual effect of warm air and sterilizing UV light, Ranvoo is able to eliminate as much as 99% of bacteria on your towel. Equipped with 2 C-shaped hooks, Ranvoo has a large capacity for drying towels, underwear, pajamas, socks, and so much more. It's super energy efficient and money saving. Having Ranvoo work for 2 hours per day for a month costs a mere $2. Rated at IPX4 waterproof, Ranvoo defies the humidity in your bathroom for a long haul of durability and security. Your safety is our top priority. With multiple protection features, Ranvoo is shockproof and against overheating. The drill-free installation makes Ranvoo extremely convenient and quick to use. Ranvoo, keep warm and stay healthy.
We are Nevia. Since we started, we've been on a mission to create the best showers in the world. Over the past several years, you've backed our award-winning shower systems on Kickstarter and helped us scale our technology. We've listened to your feedback, and now we've designed a shower head that provides 4 awesome experiences and brings water savings to everyone. Introducing our most versatile and most accessible shower ever, Nevia by Moen Quattro. Nevia by Moen Quattro packs 4 innovative sprays into one sleek shower, designed to help you feel clean, relaxed, or ready for the day. Hard spray. Precision nozzles ideal for rinsing thick and curly hair and for the feeling of a high-pressure massage. Angel hair. 150 streams of water for a calming and soothing sensation that provides surprisingly high pressure and our warmest spray ever. Soft spray. Our signature spa-like feeling for a drenching, misty experience. And finally, Super Saver. For when you want to save the most while staying plenty warm. This soothing mode is great for kids, pets, and sensitive skin. All 4 of these modes save between 40 to 50% of the water used by standard showers. Quattro comes in 2 versions. The hand shower has a magnetic connection, and the rain shower is fixed.
Hands down, Angel Hair, because it takes out all the shampoo out of my curly hair.
That is the first shower head I've loved, right?
It's the soft water. It turns your shower into a steam room and it feels so good. It gets super hot and it just
it's
feels
the most
amazing
incredible spa-like feeling you're gonna get in the
It has
shower.
this angel hair mode with a gentle stream that helps wind them down and calm them for the night.
All done.
We've been building showers for almost a decade. With Quattro, we've applied everything we've learned to create 4 completely new sprays that let you choose the optimal shower experience. Custom designed hard spray nozzles provide a high pressure wake me up shower. 150 silky streams work together to provide the gotta get clean shower. And 10 cone nozzles converge, producing 1 million droplets per second to envelop you in a relaxing shower. We tested hundreds of prototypes in dozens of modes with one goal: give people a better shower using less water. Many regions, including here in California, are experiencing devastating droughts at unprecedented levels. The average family of 4 will save over $300 per year on water and heating costs. Quattro pays for itself in just 4 months.
Taking our mission further, Quattro is the first shower ever to have recycled ocean plastic components, produced from fishing nets that often end up as trash in the ocean. This is just the beginning for us. Our goal is to make all of our products from sustainable materials. We're excited to introduce 2 new accessories. Our stylish quick dry earth mat, crafted from naturally sourced diatomaceous earth. The ceramic-like material feels great under your feet, magically absorbs water, is mold resistant, and doesn't need to go in the wash. We've also completely redesigned the shower arm for an easy up and down. The Nebia adjustable shower arm is the perfect add-on for a warm and powerful shower, adjusted to accommodate everyone in your house. It simply holds its position. Kickstarter, we're here thanks to your support over the years. We're so excited to bring Nebia by Moen Quattro to you. But before we do, we need your help again. Our design and tooling is ready, and your pledge will help launch Quattro into production. The world needs innovative water-saving solutions now more than ever. Please consider backing this project. Thank you.
Introducing the LONGSHIP Home Fit. Working out can be hard and boring. It takes time and patience to get the results you want. It's like riding a seesaw or working out on low gravity on Mars. That's why, after extensive research and development, the LONGSHIP team came up with a better way to work out. You get 3 times the value with LONGSHIP Home Fit's 3-in-1 workout solution. With movable push-up handle grips, parallel bars, and pull-up bars, in addition to adjustable spring supports, you can customize your workout to fit your needs, no matter your size or strength. The spring technology works to reduce the strain from your body weight and prevent muscle injury, making it a perfect choice from warming up to high-intensity workouts. Who says living a healthy lifestyle can't be fun? The LONGSHIP Home Fit comes with 27 kinds of weight support levels based on the combination of spring attachment points and 3-step telescopic handle positions that lets you customize your workout. The LONGSHIP Home Fit's spring support technology is just like exercising on Mars, letting you work out using only a small percentage of Earth's gravity. Our technology may be out of this world, but a healthy lifestyle is within your reach. A high-quality home fitness solution with retractable anti-gravity spring support that makes working out at home easy and fun for everyone. We designed the LONGSHIP Home Fit to fit well in any home. LONGSHIP Home Fit is compact, portable, and stylish, so it goes well anywhere, and it doesn't require a big space for storage. Above all, we value quality. That's why we designed and manufactured the LONGSHIP Home Fit in South Korea. We use precision laser cutting technology with high-grade POSCO steel and stainless steel to ensure that the product is safe, durable, and built to last. The best part about LONGSHIP HomeFit is user-friendly assembly. Now, you don't have to spend hours reading instructions or looking for the right screwdriver in order to begin working out. When it comes to LONGSHIP HomeFit, there is no assembly work. Simply take the LONGSHIP HomeFit out of the box, attach your 2 springs, and unfold it. That's it! You can jump right into your first workout. Above all, LONGSHIP HomeFit values creating a healthy lifestyle every day for our customers. Fitness isn't a short-term goal, it's a lifelong journey, and we want to be the easy and fun way you work out every day. Other workout solutions can be tedious or overly complicated, so we designed a 3-in-1 workout solution, LONGSHIP HomeFit, to be easy, fun, and very effective. It's time to make the investment into your health. Getting in shape is easy and fun for everyone.
Introducing the all-new flagship grill light. First, it's lightweight. Second, it wouldn't clutter your kitchen. And finally, it converts any of your favorite frying pans into a real cast iron fire grill. It's hard to find food that's both tasty and healthy unless it's grilled. But what if you don't own an outdoor grill, or what if it's raining? We found a solution on Kickstarter. It's an indoor cast iron grill pan. Our team helped the struggling company manufacture and deliver rewards. We loved the results and decided to acquire the brand. Now we are Flagship Grill. After conducting extensive tests and reviewing customer feedback, we realized that the original Flagship models are a bit heavy for everyday use. Well, not anymore. All new Flagship Grill Light. First, it's lightweight. Second, it wouldn't clutter your kitchen. And finally, it converts any of your favorite frying pans into a real cast iron fire grill. That's right, all Flagship grills are designed to create the full effect of an outdoor grill in your kitchen. They are specifically engineered to remove excess fat and moisture from the cooking surface, and the dry heat helps to lock in flavor with substantially less cholesterol. Specially shaped ridges evenly transfer heat to ensure that your favorite dishes look amazingly good. All your favorite frying pan recipes can be grilled to perfection on the Flagship Grill, as tasty and much healthier. Like any pre-seasoned cast iron, Flagship grills are naturally non-stick. Even if you're not a professional chef, your guests will definitely think that you are. Food always has better flavor when it's grilled on cast iron, and Flagship takes taste to the next level. The non-stick surface makes it easy to clean with just hot water and a brush. Dry with a towel and it'll last a lifetime. And follows you everywhere. The Flagship Grill Light takes up practically no space in your bag when you go camping and gives you the same perfect results, even when used without a skillet. It took about 4 years to go from the original Flagship prototype to the improved lightweight version you see today. Our production equipment is already in place and ready to go, so with your help it'll take us no time at all to have Flagship Grill Light delivered to your kitchen. Please support our campaign. There's no need to sacrifice flavor for health. After all, you can have your steak and eat it too.